Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML style guide. And right now, we'll be discussing about the HTML doc type element. Always declare document type. Always declare the document type as the first line in your document. The correct document type for HTML is doc type HTML. So I'm going to show you how this looks in our code. Can you see? Inside our code right there, we are having at the top, we are having doc type HTML. So this is how you should write code. You should firstly write doc type HTML, then the other codes follows. If you don't write it, it's not good. So definitely you need it in your document. And when you see your code also, it's looking neat, as you can see. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye. Until the next.